Hey Stush gang, welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? For all the new people that's checking in, thanks for stopping by. My name is Stushy. For all that you don't know me, Stush Life. Thanks for subscribing. We appreciate you. We just hit 200 subscribers. We're gonna go for 3. Hopefully, let's see. Can we do it like by the end of mid-August? Like mid-August, can we do mid-August 300 subscribers? I'm counting on y'all, so make sure y'all subscribe all down below. If you're coming back to check out a video and you're not subscribed, I really want to know what you're doing, because at this point you're coming back. You might as well subscribe. All the people that comment, I see all the comments, so please leave me a comment. That way I can respond to you, I can be interactive and all that good stuff, all that jazz. Today's video will be a July favorites, right? I'm digging it here, that's why I keep like stopping. I can't like keep focused. But today's video will be a July favorites. I'll be talking about some products that I've been living for, or some items that I've been living for in the month of July. This is going to be a short video because I don't really have many products, mostly because I haven't really been buying much the past month of July. So it's going to be a short video, but all these items I do really enjoy. That's why I'm putting it in the video. Cut it out. Thank you. Filming? Hey, cállate, por favor. Okay, so let's start off. All I got is these broken clouds. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love, still love, still love, still love, still love. I'm gonna start right off. I'm gonna jump right in. So, first item that I've been loving, and I'll just go to this first because I'm wearing it currently. Where is she wearing it? Where is it? Where? The items that I've been living for are these Her Minx & Co. lashes in the style Ava. I have them on right now. I have them on right now and I'm loving them. I think I paid $20 online. The website I will link. These lashes are super easy to put on. Like, and I own tons of lashes and they're super easy to put on. I really don't have to like, you guys already know, I don't know if you watched my eyelash video, but you already know I use these Ulta lash tweezers to put on my eyelash, and they slide on so easily. I really don't have to do too much adjusting. It lands right on my lash line. I don't have to bend the lash, turn the lash, like do any extra stuff just to make it adhere to my lash, like my lash line. So these lashes they've been what I've been wearing on a daily basis, like if I do my makeup. And the only thing I dislike about this is the fact that, I mean, I initially loved it, like I do very much love the fact that it's pink. The case is pink because pink is my favorite color, but it gets dirty. Like, as you can see, like it gets dirty, and that's the only thing that's annoying, because I can't like keep it clean. And I can reuse lashes for like what, 25 times, like if they're mink, and these are 3D mink lashes. So the only thing that's annoying about that is I know this case is gonna be filthy by the time like I'm really done with these lashes and I need to buy a new pair. So, but it is what it is. So that's one of my favorite products of the month. I'm loving these lashes. Shout out to you, Heidi. These lashes are good. They're really good. I need to buy some more, but if you guys would like to purchase some, I'll leave the link in my description box. Then the next product that I've been raving about this month, I'm mad that I'm actually wearing makeup because I'd have been able to show you guys like the progress, and I didn't even take any pictures. Wow. Maybe I'll do like a picture of now and then, maybe like a month time, like how my skin looks. But it's this pure rose hip seed oil. It was in my it's 100% natural, cold pressed organic pure rose hip seed oil. It replenishes and restores the skin, and it's great for dark spots. And I mentioned in that video that I have dark spots like right in this perimeter of my face, and I've been seeing it clear up, so like I'm ecstatic about that. I always want to strive to have like great skin, especially underneath my makeup. So this has been a go-to. I've been using it every day. As soon as I wash my face, I'll tone with my toner, and then I'll go right in and I'll apply the rosehip oil on the places where I want to get rid of like the dark spots, and then I'll put on my moisturizer and, you know, go about my day. But this is great. Like, I recommend people getting this. It's not a heavy oil. It is really nice, and it comes in like a droplet, so I could just apply it to my face. I don't have to do like pouring it out or anything like that. So this has been great. The next product that I've been living for, Fenty Beauty Cause I'm Black Fly Liner. It is by Rihanna. She is precise, sis. It is so easy to draw a wing, and the pen is literally so precise. We're super precise, and it makes it really easy for drawing a liner. And let's see, another item that I've been loving is this Morphe blending sponge. Okay, I got this at the Morphe store, and I think I paid $5 for it, which is really not bad. I've owned numerous beauty blenders. I currently don't own any because I just haven't been back to Sephora to buy some, and these are pretty cheap compared to like spending $20, and it does a pretty decent damn on job. So this is the Morphe blending sponge, and I love it. Once I wet it, it's so easy to apply foundation, to blend out foundation, to blend out concealers, to put setting powder on. Like, it's the goat. You can go right here with powder, you can go right here with concealer. I usually do one of the flat sides to like blend out foundation. She's a goodie. She's a goodie. She's a goodie. Morphe, you did a good job with this. Shout out to y'all. $5, you can't beat it compared to $20. Not knocking beauty blender or anything. They're like the original sponge for makeup application. But this is a pretty good one. And I mean, if I'm saving $15, I'm for it. I'm here being shady, okay? I bought this hair yesterday and I cut it. I like the cut. I wish maybe I'll just try a different product to try to make the curls pop a little bit more, but I like the length. It's a little wild, kind of, sort of, but it's like perfect for summer. Let me know if you guys like it in the description box, okay? The last item that I've been loving, it's not a makeup product. I've been doing this with all my videos though, but I think I'm running out of them, honestly. Not even running out, but I don't really wear them as much like throughout the month. Like, I'll usually just like grab my keys and just go. But this one bag that I've been living for the whole month of July, like I've been wearing it to work on some days, to the club some days, just running out the house some days. Isn't she cute? Oh my gosh, tell me she not cute. And it comes with a little bag. It's like a messenger bag. It comes with a little bag. You can take this off, and let me take it off right now because I usually don't wear it with the straps because I feel extra, a whole lot of extra work. I usually just carry it just like this, and it matches my top. So I carry it just like this, and yeah, I carry it just like this, and I put like stuff in there. I'm gonna take out whatever's in there now. I'm gonna leave these coins, but it's a pretty decent size. It has this little thing where you can pull it because it doesn't have like a zip or anything. It has a little thing where you can pull it to like hide what's in the bag. Guess where I bought it? You ain't gonna guess. I purchased it from Zara in March. Yes, in March when I was in Cali. I love it, and it's like super cute, super small, and it's just like the perfect accessory. I don't know what I would do without it. It doesn't hold like big things like books and stuff. Sometimes if I'm going to work and I'll like want to bring my planner, it doesn't fit in there. That's the only annoying thing, but it's fine because it's really not meant to be a work bag. It's meant to be like social, you know, club, weekender type of bag. Not even weekender, but you know, like a quick, if you're going to a mall type of bag and you want to just bring a few things. She's been holding it down this month. I love that bag, okay? And the color is amazing. Like, who doesn't love a baby doll pink bag? Or, I mean, who doesn't love it? I can walk out the house right now and it's a fit because these are all the products. The rose hip oil, the Fenty fly liner, these lashes that I'm wearing right now. These lashes that I'm wearing right now, and this Zara bag. Killing the game, killing the game. Yeah, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe all down below. I'm gonna stop right now. Hope we enjoy having you. We want you guys to come on back, so remember to subscribe. Also remember to hit the bell button. Hit that to make sure that you know when I upload a new video. I will be uploading weekly. I appreciate each and every one of you guys for subscribing. You guys really make my day. When I wake up and I see my subscriber count go up, it makes me happy that people enjoy watching me. You know what I mean? That I enjoy making videos, but it just makes me happy that like people like me, people like my personality. You know, they like this. So thank you guys.